Good morning, students. Hope you all are fine and able to understand what has been explained. Welcome back. Back to the class of Boolean algebra. As you all know, we have been discussing Boolean algebra since 28 sessions. This is our 29th session on Boolean algebra. 29th session. As you know, Boolean algebra is chapter number 2, and today's class is 29th session of Boolean algebra, where we will be discussing K-maps. So let's quickly have a recap of the weightage. So I have been explaining you how the marks division is done. By this time you must be very familiar with this. So let's quickly have a recap of what we have been discussing in the previous sessions. In the previous session, we discussed how we can simplify or how we can minimize the Boolean expressions using K-map. So previous session we used K-maps and we used two variables. And this class we will be learning three variables and four variables. So today's class we will be learning the highlights of this session is what we will be learning today. Today we will be learning simplification of or minimization using K-maps, and today's class we will be learning three variables. We have been discussing three variables. If time permits, we will start four variable reduction or simplification in this session. So let's get started and let's minimize the given expression. So here we have a a question here which says use Korn map to reduce the given function using SOP form M1, M2, M3, M5, M7. So let us start. First, the first step is you need to draw the general K map for three variable. ನಮ್ಗೆ ಹೇಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯಿತು three variable ಅಂತ ಅವರೇನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ. They have just told us use Korn map to reduce the given function. They have not told us three variable or four variable ಅಂತ ನೋಡಿಲ್ಲ. ನೀವು ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಹೈಯೆಸ್ಟ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಬೇಕು. ಹೈಯೆಸ್ಟ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ M7. M7 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ as we know that for three variable there will be 8 terms and the last term is the M7 term. So ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ನಾವು ಅದನ್ನು ತಗೊಂತೀವಿ, four variable ತಗೊಳ್ಳಲ್ಲ. Next step is you draw the map. So you know how to draw this map. We have discussed general K map ನಾವು ಕಲ್ತಿದ್ದೀವಿ. Next step is marking the terms. So marking the terms M1 they have given. So M1, M2. So ಎಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲಿ term ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ you need to put 1. M3, M5 and M7. These are the terms given. The other terms you can put it as 0. Now after marking, see 5 marks ಇರುತ್ತೆ. 5 marks first thing is drawing the map. Labeling correct ಆಗಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ map draw ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 1 mark. Then putting ones in the proper squares which will carry 1 mark. Then marking. So marking ಅಥವಾ grouping. As I told you, see map ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ consecutive ones or adjacent ones side by side ಇದ್ರೆ ಅದನ್ನ group ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. Diagonal ಇದ್ರೆ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಬರಲ್ಲ. So we can make these four as one group because they are adjacent to each other. So forming four ones in a group it is called quad. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇದು ಒಂದು ಉಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತೆ. So what we can do is ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1 ಇಲ್ಲ 0 ಇದೆ. Or map roll method ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೂ ಬರಲ್ಲ because here we have 0. So what we can do is we can again use this 1 so that I can form a pair with these two. So let's do the grouping. First we will form one group or one quad. with these four ones, then we will form one pair with these two ones. Let's do the labeling. So this will be pair 1 and so this will be quad 1. Now let's write the expression for this. First let us take quad. So quad 1. Quad 1 we have M1, M3, M5, M7. So quad 1 is M1 plus M3, M3 plus M5 plus M7. Now let's write the expressions for this. So it will be x, y, z plus x, y, z plus so first one is M1 is x bar, y bar, z. Next is M3. M3 is x bar, y, z. So x bar, y, z. Next is M5. M5 is x, y bar, z. X, y bar, z. 7 is x, y, z. Now let us see what is common in all. X bar, x bar, x, x. So it is not common. Y bar, y. So y no common illa. Next we have z, z, z and z. So z is the common expression from quad 1. Similarly, let's take pair 1. So pair 1 is M3 and M2 and M5, M3 and so it is M3 plus M2. So let us write the expression for this. So now 3 is nothing but x bar y z. X bar y and z. M2 is x bar y z bar. Now let us see the common terms in both. X bar ಇದೆ ಇಲ್ಲೂ x bar ಇದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ y ಇದೆ ಇಲ್ಲೂ y ಇದೆ. So the common terms are x bar y. Now let us write the simplified expression. The simplified expression is So let us, the simplified expression is, let us take the common term from quad 1, that is z plus x bar y. So this is how we can simplify. So just we will recall once how we exactly did this. 5 marks irutte, kindly pay attention. Let me begin. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, use K map, Corn map to reduce the given function using SOP form m1 m2 m3 m5 m7. ಸೊ ನಾವು 3 ವೇರಿಯೇಬಲ್ ತಗೋಬೇಕಂತ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಹೇಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ನೋಡಿ, ಅಪ್ ಟಿಲ್ 7 ಇದ್ರೆ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಟೇಕ್ 3. So if it is more than 7, take 4. If it is less than 4, maximum 3 ಇದ್ರೆ you take 2 ವೇರಿಯೇಬಲ್. 2 ವೇರಿಯೇಬಲ್ ಬಹಳ ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಕೊಡೋದು. Either they will ask 3 marks or they will ask 4 marks. Maximum time 5 marks ಗೆ they have asked 4 variables ಕೇಳೋದು. But anyways, sometimes they also ask 3 marks. 3 variables, sorry. So 3 variables ಅಲ್ಲಿ, how do we know it's a 3 variable? You need to check the terms. So you can see the term m7. So m7, that means 3 variable map na ತಗೊಳ್ತೀವಿ. Then next step is 1 2 3 5 7, ಅಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ 1 1 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. 1 2 3 5 7, ಉಳಿದಿದ್ದೆಲ್ಲ we will put 0 0 0. Next we will take next step is, after marking, first step is draw the map. 3 ವೇರಿಯೇಬಲ್ 2 ವೇರಿಯೇಬಲ್ ಯಾವ್ದು ಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ ಆ ಮ್ಯಾಪ್ ನ ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಇಸ್ once you need to mark. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಇಸ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಗ್ರೂಪ್. ಹೇಗೆ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, 2 or 4 8 6 ಮಾಡಕ್ ಬರಲ್ಲ, 8 ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. 2 to the power of 1 0 is 1. So 2 to the power of 2 is 2. Sorry, 2 to the power of 2 is 4. So 2 to the power of 3 is 8. 2 to the power of 4 is 16. So you can form a group of 2 4 8 16 32 56, like that it will, sorry 64, like that it will go on. So anyways, so here we have 4 ones, we can make one quad. ಇದನ್ನ ನಾಲ್ಕನ್ನು ನಾವು ಒಂದು ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ ಅಂತ ಬರಿಬಹುದು. Similarly, we can form a group of these two and we can make it as pair 1. Then we have to write the expression. Writing expression carries 2 marks. ಸೊ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಸ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಬರೆದ್ರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ 5 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಸಿಗಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ 1 ಏನೇನಿದೆ, ಕ್ವಾಡ್ 1 ಅಲ್ಲಿ m1 m3 m5 m7. ಲೇಟರ್ ಆನ್ ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ರೈಟಿಂಗ್ ದ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ x bar y bar z plus x bar y z x y bar z, that is m5. m5 ನೋಡಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ x ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತಗೊಂತೀರಾ, ಓಕೆ, x ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮೇಲೆಗಡೆ ಬರ್ತೀರಾ y bar z. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ x y bar z. 7 ಹೇಗೆ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋದು, ಇದ್ರ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಹೇಗೆ ತಗೊಂತೀರಾ, x. ಸೊ ಸೇಮ್ ಕಾಲಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಾಗ 7ಗೆ x ಇದೆ, ದೆನ್ ಕಾಲಮ್ ನೋಡಿ yz. ಸೊ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಟೇಕಿಂಗ್ yz ಅನ್ನ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ದೆನ್ ಯು ಶುಡ್ ಸಿ ದ ಕಾಮನ್. 4 ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಮನ್ ಆಗಿ ಏನಿದೆ, z ಇದೆ, z ಅನ್ನು ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟೇಕಿಂಗ್ ಪೇರ್ 1. ಪೇರ್ 1 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ m3 and m2, and then we are writing the expression m3 is x bar y z and 2 is x bar y z bar. Then we are taking the common. Illu x bar ide, illu x bar ide, illu y ide, illu y ide. So the common terms ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು next we are writing the simplified expression is common terms na ಬರಿತೀವಿ z x bar y. So hope you have understood this. See, ಇದನ್ನ ಕುತ್ಕೊಂಡು ನೀವು ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಆವಾಗಲೇ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಒಂದು ಬುಕ್ ಶೀಟ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ನೀವು ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ, the moment I start explaining and you will also try writing on the sheet of paper, then only you will understand. So let's move on and let's take the one more example. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ತಗೋಣ. So let's take one more example. Okay. So now here we have M0, M2, M4, M6, M7. Let us take A. First A ತಗೋಣ. ಸೊ ಯಾಕೆ ನಾವು M7 ಇದೆಯಲ್ವಾ ಹಾಗಾಗಿ 3 ವೇರಿಯಬಲ್ ಅಂತ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. First we will do A and then we will go on to B. So first we will see M0. M0 ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ? ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆ. So put 1. Then we have M2. So we will put 1. Then we have M4. M4 is here. Then we have M6 and M7. M6 is here. And M7. And then we will mark the rest with 0. Okay. Now the next step is we have to do grouping. Group ಹೇಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ? So as these two are towards the end, ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ರೆ ಮ್ಯಾಪ್ ರೋಲ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಮ್ಯಾಪ್ ರೋಲ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಇದನ್ನೇ ಒಂದು ಶೀಟ್ ಪೇಪರ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಬರೆದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಎರಡನ್ನೂ ನೀವು ಹಿಂಗೆ ರೊಟೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ವೆನ್ ಯು ರೊಟೇಟ್ ದ ಮ್ಯಾಪ್ ರೋಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಇದೆರಡು ಪಕ್ಕ ಪಕ್ಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ 0, 4, 2, 6 ಪಕ್ಕ ಪಕ್ಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ನಮಗೆ ಮ್ಯಾಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಪರ್ಮಿಷನ್ ಇದೆ. So what we will do is we will mark these two so we can group these two. And these two as one pair. So now we have formed one quad and one pair. One quad has 0, 4, 2, 6 forms one quad. Here we are using the map roll method. Map roll method ಅನ್ನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ. 0, 4 ಮತ್ತೆ 2, 6 ರೋಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ as they come side by side we can form one group. Then we have 7 and 6 ಅನ್ನು ಒಂದು pair ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ. Let's write the expression. So let's write first for the pair. Pair ಗೆ ಬರೆಯೋಣ. So pair ಅಲ್ಲಿ pair 1 is M7 plus M6. So M7 is so M7 is M7 X, Y, Z. M6 is X, Y, Z bar. X, Y, Z bar. Let's write the common terms. X, Y, Z and then we have X, Y, Z. Here we have xy, xy. So the common terms are xy, x and y. Next, let us write the expression for quad. So quad 1. So quad 1 ಏನೇನಿದೆ? Quad 1 ಅಲ್ಲಿ we have 0, 2, 4, 6 or 0, 4, 2, 6. So quad 1 is M0, M4, M2, M6. Okay. Let's write the expression for the same. So M0, so M0 is x bar, y bar, z bar, and then M4 is x, y bar, z bar, x, y bar, z bar. Next M2 is x, x bar, y, z bar, x bar, y, z bar. Then M6 is x, y, z bar. Okay. So let's take the common term. X bar, x ಇದೆ. So x bar common ಇಲ್ಲ. Y bar, y bar, y. So y is also not common. Z bar, z bar, z bar, z bar. So z bar is common. So from pair 1 xy is common and from quad z bar is common. So the simplified expression is x, y, z bar. This is the simplified expression. Hope you have understood this. So use K-Coron map to reduce the given function using SOP form. So they have not told us whether it's 2 variable or 3 variable. As we know that 2 variable not possible because M4, M6, M7 ಇದೆ. 2 variable ಅಲ್ಲಿ last ಬರೋದು M3. So it's very sure that it is either 3 variable or 4 variable. As we do not find M8, M9, M10, that means last min-term designated term is M7. Last designated term 7 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ we are very sure that it is 3 variable ಅಂತ. So one more example ಇದೆ. Then ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಆ terms 0, 1, 0, 2, 4 ಮತ್ತೆ 6, 7ಗೆ 1, 1 ಅನ್ನ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. Rest you have to put 0. Sorry, I forgot to put rest you have to put 0. And then next step is grouping. So we group into 2. So ಇದೆರಡು ಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಬರಲ್ಲ because diagonal ತಗೊಳಕ್ ಬರಲ್ಲ, adjacent ಇದ್ರೆ ತಗೋಬಹುದು. Here we have used map rule method. So these two and these two we have formed as one quad. A group of 2 is called pair. A group of 4 ones is called quad. A group of 8 ones. ಸದ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವಿನ್ನೂ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ example. ಇದ್ರೆ we call it as octet. So hope you have understood this. Let's carry on with the next example. M1, M2, B. So let's take example B and ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಬರಿಬೇಕು ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಮನ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ನ ತೆಗೆದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು you have to write. So let's take the next example. So now M1. So we'll put 1 here. M2, M3, M5 and M7. I think we have did this anyways. So we can make others, you can put 0. So now let us do grouping. So we can form these 4 as one group. Again these 2 as one group. So we can make this as one, so we can make this as one pair and this as one quad. So let's quickly write the expressions for quad 1. So quad 1 we have M1 plus M3 plus M5 plus M7. And let's write the expressions xyz plus xyz plus xyz. So ಮೇಲೆ bars ಬರುತ್ತೆ, we will mark later. xyz. So we have 0 is x bar y bar z. So x bar y bar z. 3 is x bar yz. So x bar yz. Then 5 is x y bar z. And 7 is xyz. The common terms illenide x bar, x, so it's not common. Y bar, y, not common. Z is common. So from this we have z. So let's write the expression for pair 1. So pair 1 ಯಾವುದಿದೆ pair 1 ಅಲ್ಲಿ? Pair 1 is nothing but 3 and 2. M3 plus M2. So M3 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿದೆ? M3 is xyz plus xyz. So M3 is x bar yz, and M2 is x bar yz bar. So let's write the common term. The common term is x bar y. ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಇದೆ. So the simplified expression is ಈ reduced ಆಗಿ common terms ಅನ್ನ ಬರಿಬೇಕು. That is z plus x bar y. So hope you have understood this. So ಇದಿಷ್ಟು ಒಂದು ಕ್ವಾಡ್, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಒಂದು ಪೇರ್, ಅದರೊಳಗಿರೋ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ನ ಬರೆದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು then you have to write the common terms. Kindly go through the example again. You try to write by yourself and you try to draw the map and then you reduce the expression. Just by seeing you will not understand anything. Hope you have understood this. Let's move on to the hope you have understood today's class and maps na ಮಾಡೋದು ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಏನಾದ್ರು ಡೌಟ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ you can always get back to me. Kindly practice well because one expected question will be from math. Thanks for your patience listening. Have a great day ahead. God bless you.